What if the next global catastrophe doesn't come from war, AI, or disease, but from beneath your feet? This isn't science fiction. Supervolcanoes are real, and one eruption could erase everything we know in a matter of days. We're all familiar with volcanoes, Mount Etna, Fuji, or Vesuvius. But a supervolcano is a monster of a different scale. It's defined not by the shape of its cone, but by the sheer volume it can unleash. When a supervolcano erupts, it ejects over 1,000 cubic kilometers of ash, rock, and gas. That's enough to blanket entire continents in ash and drop global temperatures for years. There are several known supervolcanoes around the world. The most famous? Yellowstone in the United States. It sits atop a massive magma chamber, about 44 miles wide. If it erupts, it wouldn't just affect the US. It would affect the entire world. Ash clouds could block the sun, killing crops, cooling the planet, and collapsing global food chains. Other dangerous sites include Toba in Indonesia, Campi Flegrei in Italy, and Taupo in New Zealand. Many of them show signs of past mega-eruptions, and some are becoming active again. Let's talk about Toba. About 74,000 years ago, this Indonesian supervolcano erupted. It triggered a volcanic winter, possibly dropping global temperatures by up to 5 degrees Celsius. Some scientists believe it nearly wiped out early human populations, shrinking us to just a few thousand survivors. In modern times, even smaller eruptions, like Mount Pinatubo in 1991, caused global cooling and disrupted air traffic. Imagine that, multiplied 100-fold. Here's the scary part. Supervolcanoes don't typically kill with lava. They kill with ash and climate collapse. Ash particles in the atmosphere can block sunlight, causing temperatures to plummet. Photosynthesis halts, crops fail, mass starvation follows. It's not fire you should fear, it's famine. The truth is, we're not. There's no way to stop a supervolcano once it erupts. We can't cap it, cool it, or contain it. And monitoring? Most governments don't have dedicated systems in place. Yellowstone, for example, has only a handful of sensors compared to what's needed. Even if we got an early warning, we couldn't evacuate millions of people in time. And there's no plan for feeding billions after a decade of volcanic winter. Possibly. Supervolcanoes don't erupt often, but when they do, it's sudden. Yellowstone's last major eruption was about 640,000 years ago. Some believe we're due. Campi Flegrei in Italy is showing signs of increasing pressure. Earthquakes, ground swelling, sulfur emissions. It's active, and it's near Naples, a city of over 3 million people. We think of extinction events as things from the past, but one of the greatest threats to human survival is alive and growing underground. And it doesn't care about borders, politics, or preparation. Supervolcanoes are quiet, they're ancient, and one day they will erupt again. The only question is, will we be ready?